welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my September Planner Society box. I'm so excited, so pumped for this one. I can't wait to open it. I'm pretty sure it's the September one, but if I'm wrong, I'll correct it over here somewhere. But yes, let's just go ahead and dive right in. Let's start opening this baby up. I've had it for a few weeks now, and you know, I just like to wait for you guys to share it all with you guys. And so I kept it in the craft or in the storage room, and I was like, I'm gonna leave it in there so that I don't touch it. But look at how cute this is. This definitely screams fall vibes. Absolutely love it. It's so cute, and there's a little backpack in here. So as always, I am subscribed to their sticker box kit, and I am subscribed to their main kit. So if you guys don't know what the Planner Society is and you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you decide to subscribe and join me. The Planner Society is a subscription box that has 4 different kits. They have the sticker box kit, the washi kit, the full planner kit, and one more, the regular sticker kit. And you can purchase all 4 of them. You can get 2 out of 3, you can get 3 out of 3, you can get 1 out of 4, or just get all 4. And you pay every other month, so you get the box every other month. So if this is the September box, the next one that we're gonna get and pay for is in December. And it's so worth it. You get a lot of paper, you get die cuts, word toppers, you get pencil bags, sometimes you get planners, sometimes you get little purses now, you get accessories, pens, all kinds of fun things. And if you love florals, this is definitely your jam. It's up your alley. Go for it. If you don't like florals, I would say try not to invest in it, because every month it's always florals. It always has a type of floral combined with some other type of decor, but it's always florals. So I know there's not a lot of people that like florals. There's some people who absolutely love florals. I love florals, so this is so me, and I just love the box altogether. So I definitely recommend it. I'm not part of their PR team or anything, but I definitely recommend the box, and I always like to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is the sticker box kit. Look at how cute this bag is. Again, I always try to open the bags nicely. That way I can use the bags for any other things, but I'm so excited. So to start, here we have the sticker box kit. So here we have the check boxes. Super cute. I love the prints that Christy used in this kit. Over here we have like the washi strips with the half boxes and the quarter boxes. So pretty. Over here we have the full decorative boxes, and there is stickers at the bottom as well. I love those prints. And over here we have the date covers with the headers, and then we have more bow headers and trackers. Super, super pretty. I love this kit. And then here is the bag for the main kit. All information is always linked in my description box for the Planner Society. So if you guys want to go check them out and just see, you know, if it's something that you want to go for and get, then go ahead and check out that link. But we'll save the last one for last, or the best one for last. All right, let's start with the little goodies. So over here we have the washi tape. So since it is a little bit of a dark color, I'm gonna go ahead and just open it so that you guys can see it a little bit better. So this is what the washi tape looks like. And their washi tape is such good quality. I love it. Here we go. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness, it matches the bag. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that. And then over here we have the date covers, or the word toppers. I can't talk. Here's the backing. I always say never throw out the backing. So she always does half of them in a solid color, and then the other half is a decorative. So she did the rose gold, so you get the monthly, the today, the week, the notes, and the list. And then over here we have the month, today, the week, notes, and list. Super cute. I love this. Alright, so then over here we have the sticker kit. awesome. This is also 4 pages, and these are little decorative stickers. So here we have this one, and then there's this one. Then you get the words. These are all like motivating words, little quotes, hashtag words, and then some decorative stickers as well. Super, super cute. All right, and then next over here we have the die cuts. You guys know I am obsessed with the die cuts. I always look forward to the die cuts. And look at how cute these are. These feel so thick. I feel like there's so many in here. So we got like the little bird. So cute. And then over here we have like some Alexa, fall mode on, please. So cute. Over here we have some little bow clips. We have the bird, and again some more florals. The planner with the planner cover. Again, some more bows, some butterflies. Autumn mode. It's like a little banner. Over here we have like little decorative pieces, a book. The floral. The coffee mug, so cute. A lot of fun little pieces. There's so many ways you can use these. You can use these in projects. You can use them in your planner. It's decorative. I love this one. So cute. You got the tag, the shirt with the handbag, the books, some florals. Look at that. It's so cute. Absolutely love it. Love, love, love. All right, and then over here, oh my gosh, look at that backing. So pretty. And then over here we have some little decorative cards. Let's stay home. I love fall. We got the scissors with the hoop. Over here we have the book, the tian, a candle, a sweater. Super cute, pumpkin patch. And then start the day with a grateful heart. So cute. I love that. All right. Next we have the adhesive pockets. All right. So here's this little one, and it opens like this because it's a round. Super cute. I think that's the first time or second time she does that. This is a scallop pocket. And here's another bigger one. Super pretty, and then here is the backing for that. Again, never throw those out. All right, over here we have a little accessory. She sent some bracelets. My hands never look good in bracelets because they're so skinny. But these are so cute. This one says TPS, and this one says girl. So TPS girl, and you wear both. This one's in pink with gold, and this one's like a white and gold. So cute. Look at that. I love that. I'll leave it on. Why not? And then over here we have the little memo pads. Again, you can use the ribbon to turn it into a paper clip. I recently did that. Here's the memo pad. It's a nice large pad for your to-do list, and then some little page flag sticky notes. How cute is that? Meal plan, checklist, to-do, yes. Super cute. All right, next we have, this looks like a new item. I feel like I haven't seen this. All right, so we got new stickers. I think these are stickers. I think these may be rub-on stickers or transparent stickers, but look at how cute these are. So you get mini boxes, little banner flags, just so that you can see them better. Over here, some headers. And then over here, some bows and circles and banners. Super cute, but yes, they are stickers, but they're transparent stickers. Really cute. That's a new item. We've never gotten that before. And then over here we have the bow tabs. Super cute. I love these. I love both of the colors. Really, really pretty. And then here we have the paper clip. Look at how cute that is. Super adorable. And then over here we have the tabs. Super pretty. I love all the prints, the colors. And these are stickers, so you just take them out and you fold them and you use them as divider tabs for your planner. And then you have the labels, so the labels fit perfectly on the white boxes. And look at this card. Oh, that would make such a cute page marker. I love that. Super cute. Over here we have these scalloped edges. So cute. Again, two different colors, just like this, right? So you get the matching set. Super cute. Over here we have transparent stickers. I love me some transparent stickers. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. So you got like flowers. This one's all florals. Let me see if you can see them. There you go. A little bit better. And this one has quotes. I love quotes. Super cute. Yay! Alright, and then here we have another scallop edges. I like that she sends two of them because, to be completely honest, if you're doing a TN and you want to put the scallop edges on both ends of the paper, so like the front and then the back of that dashboard for like a TN, then you're definitely not going to have enough. So maybe if you do a combination of both, you'll have enough. But I love that she sends 2 packs. So super cute. Over here we have the pen. Super adorable. Again, it's like a gold. It has some pretty flowers in the inside. It has that leopard print with the pink. Super, super cute. All right, and then we have the paper. I always look forward to the paper. Let's see if I can get this open. I cut my finger the other day chopping onions, and it's been bleeding for 2 days, and I'm scared I might need to go get stitches. But the cut's not even really deep at all. It's only when I touch stuff that it starts bleeding again. Anyways, TMI. All right, so here we have the paper. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. That's the back. It's always double-sided. Absolutely love it. So you get 2 prints of that. Here we have this one. What a beauty. So cute. So cute. And then here we have some acetate. Gorgeous. Some more acetate. This one's really pretty. I love it. It has like a hint of navy in it. So cute. And then, of course, we have our acetate, our clear acetate. These are rose gold polka dots. Oh, this one's so pretty. Look at how cute. I'm going to show you guys how pretty it actually is. Look at that. Oh, and then you got the lace paper. I love this ivory color. Here's this one so you can see it better. And then that's the acetate. And then where's the other one? Oh, look at how cute that is. I love this one. All right, and then we got this print. So pretty. And then we got this one. Really cute kit. Absolutely love it. And she also sent us a little backpack purse. Oh my goodness. I'm so psyched. Anytime she sends this kind of stuff, I get way too excited. Way too excited. Look at how cute this little thing is. It has like a plaid vibe going on. So you can see that's the back. It has like a beige border. It has a little handle. It has a little pocket in the back right here. A pocket in the front. It has a zipper pocket. I think this comes out. Oh, there you go. It's like a little wallet. Super cute. You can put a little patch on there and decorate it. You can also add a little patch here and decorate it. And it has the little zipper. super cute. She said it's a backpack, so I wonder if mine is missing the strap. Huh. That's a bummer. She did say it was a backpack, so I don't know if it's missing a strap. I'm gonna have to go on on the Instagram page and check, because if I'm missing the strap, I'm gonna have to message them. But that's pretty much it, you guys. That is my September Planner Society box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the Planner Society. As always, if you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!